How many pay stubs do you need when renting an apartment in Atlanta? Let's talk about it. Now, if you're looking for a rental in Atlanta or anywhere in Georgia for that matter, this should be helpful for you. So, how many pay stubs do you need? Now, that depends on what state you're in, and that's because laws vary by state. In most states, including Georgia, landlords are allowed to ask for 1 month's rent as a security deposit. And in order to qualify, you must meet certain financial criteria, which typically includes being employed and earning a certain amount of money each year. The general rule is that your gross monthly income must be at least 3 times the amount of the monthly rent. That means if you want to rent a place for $1,200 a month, you should be making at least $3,600 a month in gross income. Landlords use your income to determine whether or not you are financially qualified to rent their property. They will generally ask for some form of proof of income. This could be in the form of tax returns, W-2 South or 1099s, bank statements, or pay stubs. So, how many pay stubs do you need? Well, again, it depends on the state. Here in Georgia, landlords cannot legally request more than 2 months of pay stubs. So if you have been working for the same company for a while and have all of your pay stubs readily available, then great. If not, no worries. You may still have other options. You could offer to provide a copy of your most recent W-2 from your employer. Or, if you're self-employed and have been working for yourself for a while, then you can offer to provide a copy of your tax return, which edits are allowed. Now, in most cases, landlords will ask for your most recent pay stub. They will want to see your year-to-date earnings, as well as your average net earnings per paycheck. Sometimes they only want the year-to-date. So just make sure you read the application carefully and provide what is requested. For example, if the landlord requests your year-to-date earnings, simply take your total annual income and divide it by the number of paychecks you receive per year. You might have to do a little bit of math here if your paychecks are not all exactly the same amount. Then divide that total by 12, and that will be your average monthly earnings. Are there any edits that are illegal for a landlord to ask for? Yes, there are. A landlord cannot legally request your Social Security statement. And they also cannot ask you for bank account information, credit card information, or any other types of financial documents that are not related to your income or your ability to pay rent. When do you need professional document formatting? Now, if you're not sure if you need to provide a professional format of your pay stubs, then you likely do. Professional formatting ensures that your documents are clean, clear, and easy to read. It also ensures that your documents are free of any typos or grammatical errors, and that they follow a specific format that is required by your landlord. There are services that can help you with this, but they do charge a fee. How do we work? Our service is fast, easy, and convenient. You simply upload your documents to us, and our team of experts will take care of the rest. We will format your documents according to the specific requirements of your landlord, and we will make sure that they are error-free. What belongs on your compliance checklist? Here are the 5 things you need to add to your compliance checklist. Number 1, proof of income. Make sure you have at least 2 months of pay stubs, W-2s, or bank statements ready to go. No 2 rental history. Your landlord will want to know if you have a history of paying rent on time, so be sure to have your previous landlord's contact information handy. No 3 credit history. Most landlords will run a credit check as part of the application process, so be sure to review your credit report beforehand and look for any errors or negative items that could cause you to be denied. No, for criminal history. Depending on where you live, your landlord may also run a criminal background check. Be sure to familiarize yourself with your state laws so you know what to expect. And no 5 employment history. Your landlord will want to verify that you are employed and that you have been for a significant period of time. Be sure to have your employment history readily available. What are the red flags that trigger rejections? Late rent payments, evictions, too many rental applications. If you've applied for too many rentals in a short period of time, this could be a red flag to landlords. Criminal history, especially if it involves violence or drugs. And poor credit history, including a low credit score and outstanding collections. Where can you find official resources? ILL put a link in the description below for the official state website for tenants and landlords in Georgia. And I'll also include a link to a service that provides pay stub formatting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Check out my channel for more videos like this one. And remember, knowledge is power. Empower yourself with knowledge.